Hi viewers, just gonna check out the washing machine off balance test. I've had it sitting in the garden for too long and I might as well finish it off, see what happens. The new control node, power on, trip, standby. So it's rated at 30 amps. I'll cut this out. This is just a direct online 240 volts terminal. Rolling, we're going to do the final test on this device. Stopped. It's a bit of intermediate carnage, but it's still turning around. So I've put the machine now in a bathtub and see if we can get some more fun. Still turning, so taking the batteries out and we'll try again. Yeah, that's fine, don't worry. Belts. Well, that's the end. Thanks for watching.